Welcome, fellow travelers. Your traveling buddy here, coming to you today from Lansing, Michigan. And today is Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. And I figured today is a beautiful day today. Nice, sunny. It's about almost 70 degrees right now. You see, I'm not even wearing a coat. And I figured it's a great day to come out and do a hike. And we've been having a lot of rain, weather going up and down. You know, cold to warm. I hate when it does that. I mean, I hate the snow, but I really hate that too, you know, up and down kind of stuff. So I figured out here on Easter Day, you know, what better way to get out and enjoy Easter is go on a little hike. And I've come here to this place I just learned about right here in Lansing. So it's incredible, the places you learn when you look it up, you know, in your own town. This is called Anderson Park, and you can come out here and go mountain biking or go hiking. You know, no motor vehicles. You know, can't have motor vehicles back here, but you can come out here. Those guys over here I just met, they're going mountain biking right now. Great little park. I mean, it's not very green right now, but like I said, you know, I'm not a big religious person, you know, go to church and all that kind of stuff. I'm kind of Native American myself. I'm kind of Chippewa Indian. So, you know, this is my church. You know, nature. I love nature. So, if I could come out, let's take a hike. So, let's go out and see if we can't find the Easter Bunny. Will you? Travel with me, will you? I'll show you the map here. They got, this is the Anderson Park mountain bike trails, and you see there got all kinds of trails right there. And you say you can come back here mountain biking, I'm sure hiking. It's kind of different, all kinds of hiking trails. It's cool. Yeah, like I said, I just learned about this, and this is a dead-end road. Believe it or not, at the end of this road here, I've been there before. I did another video on the old abandoned town of Millet Township, that is now part of Lansing. And this is right up the road from the old school that's right there. I never knew it was here. There's another residence down there. You can't go that far. Somebody actually still lives down here. Like I said, this is where you can go mountain biking, and this gentleman right here, he was just telling me about they maintain this, and you see those little humps right here. They put those out here for people that like to come out here and do the extreme mountain biking and jumping and all that kind of stuff right there. And right behind me, look, this looks like the old residence used to be here. I have a feeling this used to be an old farm or something. And there's this old structure right here. Look at that. Old brick home or something. Could have been shed. It's incredible. Been taking a while, but you can see right there it's starting to get a little green. There's got some leaves growing on that little tree. Before you know it, all these trees will be budding. You see some of the green right there. Kind of interesting. Look at that. I feel like somebody almost made like a little fort right there. You know, all those branches and stuff are leaned up against that big tree. Told you it's been raining a lot lately, going up and down. You see all that mud right there, so I was smart enough to make sure I wear my hiking boots. It's gonna be a little muddy out here. That will keep some people away, but not me. A little muddy ain't gonna kill me. Listen to that. Birds singing. You see that they said this is where the mountain bikers go. See all the tracks right there? These little ramps that they put up. I'm sure this is probably more for mountain bikers and all that, but I'm sure they don't mind me hiking out here. Just be careful, make sure you watch out. Here, I'm sure they'll warn you when they come along. Definitely gotta keep your eyes open for wilderness though. Earlier, I was walking along. Didn't have my camera going at the time, but right in front of me, I stirred up a gardener snake. You definitely want to keep your eyes open when you're hiking. How you doing today? Beautiful day.
Gorgeous out.
That's something else I want to get into. I want to get me a new bike and go on some trails, find some trails I can ride a bike out on. And get more exercise. Not doing any extreme stuff, but I mean, instead just get out for a ride in the wilderness. Well, this is nice. I wore a long sleeve shirt out because I wasn't sure what the weather's going to do. Look, I even rolled up more sleeves. Before you know it, I'll be wearing shorts. Oh, this is beautiful. Love this weather. Alright, I'm done with that trail. Went all the way around, right back to where my car is. And now, I'm going to go explore this trail. It goes right over by the river, they said. This one's a little bit more steep. Go down. I haven't seen too many animals, but I'm sure it's because it's the middle of the day and there's people out here. Might have to come out here and do an early morning hike one day, like just before daybreak, and probably all kinds of animals out here. That's a neat little thing. At first I thought it was just some, piece of a structure or something, but no, I just realized it's for the mountain bikers. Come up and they can jump that. Little water right there, and I hear some ducks over there. Hear them? Try and get closer to that water. So the path right here, I just kind of gone off the path. The path is like right there. I don't recommend this for everybody, but to get the shot. Gotta go savage. Just gotta watch your step. Keep your eyes open. Like I said, I saw a snake back there. I wasn't sure what kind of snake. I'm pretty sure it was a gardener snake. But could have also been a rattlesnake, because we got rattlesnakes here in Michigan. And a poisonous snake, so yeah, you gotta be careful. There's that little pond, it looks like. I'm not sure if it's a pond or is it just flooded right there or what, but don't see that duck. I kept hearing it as I was walking up. I might have scared it off. I was trying to be quiet, but all these leaves out here. Well, it's incredible. If you know me from my past hiking videos, lose track of time. I've already been out here an hour out in these woods. I love it. But good way to spend Easter. You know, Easter's about Jesus and Jesus is about God. And what better way to enjoy God is what He's created. Look at all this. See over there, there's the Grand River right there. I'm pretty sure on the other side there is where the Woodmore Nature Center is. I never knew this was so close. It's weird to have two nature centers or nature trails close to each other. We go for the first wildflowers I've seen right now. Little purple flowers right there. Not sure what they're called, but I'm gonna have to get me one of those wilderness books and find out what all these flowers are. There's a little bee. Look at that, little bee right there. See him? There's the first little bee I've seen. That's a tiny little bee.
You've got mail.
I told you guys I've been doing better, trying to do better about my pop consumption. I've been a popaholic for years, and You know, I tried drinking just straight water and it just didn't have the kick. But then I learned about this stuff. Seen other people drinking it and stuff like that. And it's got a water additive. It's called Milo. Bought it, and you notice this is green, so it's not pop. It's just water, and it's got that stuff in it, it's like lemon lime and all that. But they got different flavors. You know, they got black cherry, black raspberry. You know, all kinds of flavors. I like this one. It's a yellow. I mean, it's lemon lime. It's pretty good, and I've actually been keeping up on it. I mean, still drink some pop once in a while. It's hard to give it up after so many years. But I've not been drinking straight, you know, diet pop, if anything. Because I'm determined to lose some weight. I've seen too many people that I know that have gained so much weight and bad health, and the next thing you know, they're gone. So yeah, it's a little hint right there. If you want to give up pop, yeah, try that Milo stuff. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Here we are. The Grand River. Oh, look across the way there. There's a whooping crane. There's a whooping crane right across the river there. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. See him up there? Right there he is. A whooping crane. And there's some geese over here in the water. This is so peaceful. See, churches are for a lot of people, but this is my church right here. This is the way I thank God for what He's created. Get out, enjoy this, not just sit in a building. I mean, if it's people can go out. Oh, look at there, there's a pontoon boat. See, other people enjoying this beautiful weather. Old pontoon boat going down the river. There were little dogs out front here, sticking their heads out. There, I was sitting here and enjoying the scene right here. You look over there where that whooping crane was. Now there's a bunch of geese sitting over there, just sitting in the grass. Kind of talking to this one that's over in the water over here. Yeah, they're just sitting a bunch of geese over there. Oh, look at this area. This is beautiful. They already got some wild plants growing right here. This is the greenest area I've seen since I got here. Got one of those ramps. BMX or the mountain bikers. By this area here, they really got some big ramps and stuff like that for mountain bikers. Probably the extremer ones. I remember building stuff like that when I was a kid. Too old for that now. I couldn't do all that stuff, but I still like to ride bikes though. Still give my mom a heart attack all the time I used to make a ramp. But yeah, there you go, people. Want to come out here and do some extreme mountain biking? Just don't disrespect this area, please. I mean, come out here, enjoy it. Just don't tear it up. Because this is a beautiful area. That's kind of funny. I was sitting here showing you this ramp here, and I happened to look up, and you look right about here. Actually more about right here. You see that right there? I looked up, and for a minute there I thought it was a dog or something, or maybe a coyote. But no, it's a fallen tree, and that's the roots right there. Let me zoom in on it. I mean, if you look at it just right, you almost think it was a dog or something staring at you. Kind of scared me for a minute there. Then I realized that no, it's a tree. There is coyotes around this area though. I've never seen wolves, but there is coyotes around here. Tell you what, one thing I have noticed about this trail is it's definitely, you know, a trail that's not taken care of by, you know, big time people or something like that. Because you look at all these fallen trees, stuff like that. Yeah, they cleared it up for the trails, but you see trees have fallen down, uprooted over there. Kind of crazy. But that's the way nature is. I mean, that's the way Mother Nature works. So in its own way, it's beautiful. Alright, fellow travelers, that's about it for me today. You know, here at the Anderson Nature Trail, right here in Lansing, Michigan, which I never knew about. I said that's one thing I tell anybody. Look it up on the internet. You never know. There could be hiking trails right in your own backyard you never knew about. I said right over that way is the Woodmerle Nature Center, where I've done a hiking. Never knew it was there. Never knew these were right next to each other. The only thing is that one is closes at a certain time, so you can't go out there at, you know, a certain time of night and stuff like that. This one here, I guess, is open 24 hours. So if you want to come out here hiking at night, you know, more power to you. I might come out here one of these bright early mornings one time and do an early morning vlog out here, and hopefully see some more animals. You know, I think some of the animals are kind of hiding out. The leaves aren't very full, so, you know, I kept my eyes open. Plus there was other people walking out here, so, and the people with the mountain bikes. That's the other thing. This is a mountain bike trail. Woodmerle, you can't do a bikes back there. Here, you can go ride bikes back here and stuff like that. So, that's another thing. If you're into mountain biking, right here. This is a great one right here in Lansing. I said I never knew this was here. You know. And just that, look it up. You know, you never know what you're gonna find. And it's just beautiful. Look at me. This is the way to spend Easter right here. I mean, you could spend, yeah, if you're religious and you want to spend your day in the church, that's fine. You know, I'm not gonna dispute anybody's religion. I'm more Native American than anything, and most Native Americans believe this is their church, and that's what I believe. This is my church right here. This is what God created, so I'm going to be out and enjoy it. I mean, it's just beautiful, you know. And I hope everybody had a happy Easter. I mean, this was a great idea. You know, this was a good idea to do for Easter for me. You know, get out here and enjoy this weather. You know, so with that being said, if you like this video, hit that like button, share, subscribe. Any comments for me? Any comments appreciated. Any ideas for me to do? Let me know. I just might show up and do it. Also, if you know any hiking trails that I might like, let me know. I just might show up, you know, and show it. I'm willing to show anybody's hiking trail, that even the offbeat ones. I mean, I know some offbeat ones that nobody knows there is. I never knew this one was here. And hopefully this video will help people come out here and enjoy this park. You know, just don't come out and trash it, people. Please. Do not come out here and throw your garbage everywhere and stuff like that. You know, and just keep it clean. That's all I ask for. You know, so until next time, my fellow travelers, I'll see you around the mitten.